Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have my TCL TV here and I'll be showing you to fix this particular issue. And of course it reads issue with USB drive. USB drive is corrupted. Select to fix. Alright, so of course if you're having that particular problem on your device, I'm going to show you to fix it. Alright, so as I said, this is a TCL TV. It's an Android based TV. It's running the Android OS on it. Alright, that's the Google TV. So across any device with Google TV, this should still apply. Alright guys, so if you're getting the USB drive is corrupt on your TCL TV, I'm going to show you to fix it. Alright, so you have seen in the previous screen what the error looks like, and of course it will appear in the notification area. So if I were to show you here, you go over to settings here, it will appear in the notification area here. If you're having it, simply go and try the following first. Ignore where it's saying it's corrupted. You're gonna go down. This is a Google TV, as I said. You're gonna come over to the media player and try to browse through it. It should show a flash drive. Go ahead and select that flash drive if it allows you to, but most likely it will not. So of course guys, what you want to do here is, if it can't read the flash drive, especially with your data on it and it is reading in other devices, this is what you're going to do. Alright, so I'm going to take you over to my computer. Alright, so with the TCL corrupted error, you're going to add your flash drive to the computer and you're going to back up all your files. So back up your files and it should be able to read on your computer in most cases. I've found even if it's saying that it's corrupted, it tends not to be corrupted, so you can ignore that corruption warning. Once you back up your files, meaning you drag them from the flash drive, copy them to a folder on your desktop or somewhere. Next, you're gonna remove the drive itself. Next, you're gonna take your flash drive, now that it's backed up, and you're gonna connect it to your phone. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. Mine has the ability to switch between USB and it can switch to USB Type-C, which will work in any Android phone. So get an Android phone, and what I'm going to do is show you to format it to a format that makes it much easier to use. If you do not have one of the transforming flash drives as I have here, you can actually use one of these that comes usually in your phone case, or you can buy them online, and it will convert USB to USB-C, meaning it will take your normal flash drive and convert it to this. Alright, then you're going to add it to your phone. So you're going to connect to your phone. And I have a separate tutorial on this. I'll link it in the description that goes into details. It's not that I'm into this right now. I'm just showing you how to fix it, where it shows you how to recover a corrupted flash drive by formatting it on your phone. Alright, so you'll swipe down here. It will see corrupted if it's actually corrupted. And of course you can tap to format and format it using the phone. I found that once it's formatted to the phone, it will work on almost any TV or the major brands of TVs, such as the Google TV, Samsung TV, and it should also work on others. So you'll tap if it's corrupted and fix the corruption, and it should actually place it in a format that can be read across almost all devices. Now, if it does not say it's corrupted and it simply reads the file, go back to the TV and please listen carefully. Go back to your TCL TV. Then on your TCL TV, if it's not corrupted, with your files backed up to your PC, you're gonna go over here once it's connected, and you're gonna use here. You might see USB drive set tap to setup, or you might see corrupted. So if that's the case, it doesn't really matter. You're gonna tap, then you're gonna use the option ignore browse, and you're gonna set up device storage or format device storage or recover or fix, whatever it might say. All right, so you're gonna use that option. It's gonna format it to a format for TCL Google TVs or Google TVs, and once it does it, it's gonna complete, and once it completes, it's going to only work on these TVs. All right, and then you're going to remove it, take it back to the phone, format it to the phone's format, and then finally guys, you can place it on the laptop again, add over your files, to the flash drive and then come back over. All right, now when you come back over, that's it, it's finished. Even if it says this here, you're gonna ignore anything that it says pertaining to any warnings there, especially if it says stop the setup. It does not need to be set up after that. So what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna go to the files itself. All right, so simply go over, go to the media player, then the drive will be there. Even if it says what he was saying earlier about you need to set up or tap to setup, ignore that tap to setup, it's not necessary. And there you go, all my files are here. You'll see all of them there and you can play them from here. All right, so that's how to deal with that error that's saying that your drive is corrupted. It's simply a matter of choosing a format that works across devices, and I find that this formatting in the Samsung phone tends to work across all major devices, so it's best to do it there. All right, a little bit convoluted in terms of the many things that you need to do, but if you do these things, you should be fine, and you never need to actually use the formatting of the TV itself, especially Google TCL TV. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.